Good morning. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. My name is Sarah Smith, and I'm from London.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Let's start with some questions about your daily life. Do you work or study?
I work. I'm a receptionist at a hotel in the city centre.
That sounds interesting. What are your daily responsibilities at your job?
Well, I greet guests, check them in and out, and answer their questions about the hotel and the city.
Great. Now, let's talk about leisure activities. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books, going for walks in the park, and watching movies with my friends.
Nice hobbies. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? Why?
I like both, but if I had to choose, I'd say I prefer reading books because they allow me to use my imagination.
That's a good point. Moving on to a different topic, can you tell me about a memorable trip you've taken?
Sure. Last summer, I went on a trip to Barcelona with my family. It was amazing. We visited the Sagrada Familia and enjoyed the beautiful beaches.
Barcelona is a wonderful place to visit. Did you try any local food while you were there?
Yes, we tried paella and tapas. They were delicious.
It sounds like you had a great time. Now, let's discuss future plans. What are your goals for the next few years?
My goal is to improve my English and maybe travel to more English-speaking countries. I also want to advance in my career.
That's a good plan. Finally, let's talk about technology. How often do you use the internet, and what do you use it for?
I use the internet every day. I use it for work, to stay in touch with friends and family, and to look up information and news.
Thank you, Sarah. That concludes our speaking test. You did well. Goodbye and have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.